Hey everyone, my name is Soumya Shri and today I'll be showing you the digital alarm clock that I have made. So this is the alarm clock. Here it shows the current time. Here we can select the hour, minute and second to set our alarm with this button set alarm, and we can also stop the alarm as and when required. So let's just set an alarm. So here we can see that the alarm is set, and every alarm has its delete button so that we can remove the alarm when we require it. So as you can see, the alarm is ringing at its correct time, and it's also showing the alert message that hey, it is 10:30 a.m. So we can click on OK, and we can also delete alarm or stop alarm when we require it. Yeah. So let's just dive into the functionality of this alarm clock. First of all, let us understand the project. So this project has three parts. The first part is a digital clock that updates every second. The second part is the area where we can set alarm and stop alarm as per our need. And third part is the upcoming alarm list, where there is list of the upcoming alarms with a delete button so that we can remove the alarm as per our requirement. So this is the HTML for the first part. This is for displaying the clock image, and this is for displaying the current time. For JavaScript, this function is called every second to update the current time on the web page, and it also checks if the alarm is set for the current time. Then it calls the ringing function. It takes the hour, minute, and seconds to update the current time. Also, it checks if the time is in AM format, then it sets the background color to some other color, and it's in PM format, then changes the background color to some other format. If it's day, the background will look like this, and let's just see what happens if it's in PM. So if it's night, the background will look like this. Okay, let's continue with the video. So this is the second part, which contains a form and two buttons, set alarm and stop alarm. This is the HTML for the second part, which contains a form for taking hour, minute and seconds. And this is the JavaScript for the second part. As soon as we submit the form or click on the set alarm button, this event is triggered, and it takes a new hour, new minute and new second from the form, and then sends it to the format time function to display the time in a specific format. So as we can see, this is the third part, which is the list of alarms with a delete button. Okay. So this is the HTML for the third part, and this is the JavaScript for the third part. It checks if the alarm is new, then it adds it to the list, and if the alarm is already present in the list, then it shows an alert message that alarm already exists. If the time is not in a valid format, it shows an alert that invalid time entered. Okay. Now we are left with few more functionality to discuss. So let's just discuss the delete function. So this is the function that is used to delete the alarm when we click on the delete alarm button. So this is used to remove an alarm from the array when delete alarm is clicked. This function first creates a new array called new list with using the array dot filter method, and then it clears all the contents of the alarm list, this alarm list, by setting the length to 0, and then adds the contents of the new list to the alarm list using the array dot push method. Now there are few more simple functions which are left to discuss. So this is the ringing function that plays the alarm audio at the correct time, and this is the clear alarm function that is used to clear or stop the currently playing alarm. This is the show new alarm function which creates a new alarm and adds it to the unordered list. That's all about the project. Thank you.